Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making frittata brunch. Thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't already, please click the notification bell, like, share, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So for this frittata brunch, I will begin by dicing lots and lots of colorful vegetables into very fine cubes. Starting with one medium-sized potato. Allow the potato to boil for 2 minutes only. Strain and set it aside to cool down completely. Meanwhile, I'll chop up one large smoked sausage into some very nice diced cubes. One medium-sized carrot, finely chopped. Please note, this recipe is large enough to serve 4 people. I like to make my frittata very colorful by adding red, yellow and green bell peppers, and I'll just chop them very finely. When I've finished chopping all the bell peppers, I'll also add 2 spring onions and chop them in medium slices. And finally, a handful of some curly leaf parsley, also finely chopped. I'll be using 6 eggs, which is enough to serve about 4 to 5 people. Season the eggs with black pepper, salt, and 40 ml of single cream, and then I'll mix it all together. sprinkle in 50 grams of feta cheese. Then I'll add all that colorful, lovely vegetables we chopped earlier on straight into the eggs. I'll thoroughly mix them all together and then pour it straight into my baking tray. Top it up with a little sprinkle of feta cheese and put it straight into the oven to bake for about 25 minutes. Once it's ready, flip it very gently onto a serving plate. I like to slice them into wedges, and I'll serve them with a very light salad and some fruits. Well, thank you all so much for coming to my kitchen and cooking along with me today. Don't forget to leave us a like by pressing the thumbs up button. And if it's your first time today, welcome. Please remember to like, share, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next Friday. Goodbye.